Welcome back to my channel. So during today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Profusion's Bare eyeshadow palette. We're going to try to do something quick, simple, and easy. I always say that, but it never works out that way. Well, I'm not going to say it's not simple and easy, but it doesn't work out as in being as short as I would like the application to be. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I already primed my eyebrows with my P. Louise base number 2, and I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and we're going to go in with the first shade in the palette, and it's this brow bone shade. So let's not do that brush. Let's go ahead and highlight this brow bone area, and I'm going to use this Morphe Y17 fluffy brush. I've been liking this brush lately to set my brow bone area. So we're going to just pack it there. And this is pretty much the same color as my Wet n Wild's Cream Brulee that I like to set with. So we're just going to continue to set the under my brow area. Now we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics, this large fluffy brush. And let's go in with the shade. Let's do Fine. And it's the third matte shade in the palette. And we're just going to dab it. And we're going to place it right in the crease area. And place on the other eye. We'll just continue to pack it right in the crease. I'm going to take it all the way over to the inner corner and kind of go outwards with it. Continue to do the same thing with the other eye. Make sure it's packed right in that crease. Just going to pack a little bit more, and then we'll start to blend it. And I like to pack lightly and build up to make sure my base is set. So now we're going to keep the same brush. We're going to lightly fluff and blend these edges going up to the brow bone. Okay, so next we're going to take the shade. Let's take this Y17 again by Morphe. Something's in my eye. I don't know what it is. Let's deepen up just a little bit. Let's take the very last shade, the matte shade in the palette, and we're going to place that right directly in the crease and a little bit on the outer V. And let's just deepen it up just a little bit. We're going to place it all over the lid. Let's just do that. Place it all over the lid with this fluffy brush. Let's do that. Oh, something's in my eye. Something's in my eye. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's some powder or something from these shadows. I'm going to add a little bit more just to make sure it's directly in the crease. And a little bit more. So now we're going to go back in with the BH brush, and we're going to go back in with the first shade. Well, no, we'll go back in with this. Was that the shade? No, I'm sorry. The shade Fine, the third shade. And make sure that it's placed right above the crease, where we started out with it in the crease. I just don't want to lose that shade in this area. Now I'm going to go back in with the Y17 brush, the very first shade we started with, and make sure this brow bone area still has this highlight effect. So now we'll blend the shades together. I'm liking that. So now we're going to go with our glitter glue, because y'all know I love shimmers. I love shimmers. But we're going to do the really, really light shimmer. Well, no, a deeper shimmer. I don't want to really highlight it look today. Then we're going to put the 2 dollops on the back of my hand and take my ring finger and pack it. And then just start placing it. I'm just placing it like just only in the center of the lid. So now let's take the shade Toasted, and this the next to the last shade, the shimmer shade. It's like a bronzy. We're just gonna pop that right where we placed the glitter glue. I'm not gonna pack it all over my lid. I'm just give it a little pop to it. Same thing with the other eye. And I'm using my finger to make sure the crease area is blended with the shimmer. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with the Y17 and just make sure everything is blended together. And the inner corner. And that is going to complete this eyeshadow look. And it was less than 5-6 minutes, we'll say. So now we're going to just go ahead and clean up from under our eyes so we can see if there's anything else we need to do, which is my norm. And I like to do it with my micellar water and, you know, put a little bit on my wipe. Make sure we clean up all this fallout. And it wasn't too much fallout, it wasn't too bad. Okay, so this is the final look of the eyeshadow. Really simple, took maybe less than 5 minutes to apply. So I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. See you guys in a bit. Welcome back. This is the final look. I love how everything turned out. I did not apply any more shadows to my lid, but this is like the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. Like this nice look I created today, you can wear it like every day, whether it's I want a soft, nice glam. This palette would do it. It was easy to use. The shadows were very blendable, the shades that I used. The look only took less than, what, 5 minutes, which doesn't really happen for me. But I do like this palette. I do like this palette. You can kind of deepen up your looks a little bit if you want to with the shades in the last 4 in the palette. So I do like this. If you have this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. How does it perform for you? I like the formulation in this palette. The rest of my face, I use the Baddington eyelashes. It does not have the style, but they came in a boxy charm, like maybe like last year sometime, or probably even longer than that. But I don't know the style, but this is the box that it comes in. And these are some nice everyday lashes. They're not too fluttery. They're not like they're real fluttery, bold, you know, type of lash. If you don't like that, they're just straight. And they're really, really nice. I'm trying to get closer so you guys can see the lashes, the eye look. And it pairs perfect together with this natural, everyday look. So for my bronzer today, I used my Ace Brute, my norm lately, what I've been going to. And I mixed all 4 of these together and just kind of pat it on my contouring area, bronzing area. And for my lips, I use my Lorac Pro lip liner in the shade, I think it's Duchess, which is my favorite when I want a natural look, because my lips are naturally pink anyways, so that kind of helps it just line them a little bit. And then I use my Essence Shine 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 gloss, and this one is in the shade Friends of Glamour. And I love Essence glosses. They're so creamy. You know, to me, I like the way they feel on my lips. I really like them. That is all I did for the rest of my face. I was trying to find my blush, because I really didn't blush a whole lot, because I used the Balm Cosmetics, and I used this little really light mauve type shade. And I popped on, what did I highlight with today? I did it because it's had like a highlight in it. So that is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know your thoughts down below if you like this video, if everything turned out perfect. Do you like it? I like it. Let me know your thoughts. See you guys in my next video.